Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word ideal. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is ideal. Let's break it down. First we have I, which sounds like I or my. Then comes D, which sounds like D in deep or sea. Finally, ul, which sounds like the ul in tunnel or vessel. Now let's put it all together. Ideal. Try repeating after me. Ideal. Now a little faster. Ideal. And at full speed. Ideal. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Ideal refers to something that is considered perfect or the best possible version of something, and that's it. Now you know how to pronounce ideal and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.